Central Standard Time, the public reported thunderstorms producing The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located south of Mansfield near Highway 287. This storm will move northward Highway 287 in Mansfield at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mansfield and Arlington. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 20 between mile markers 446 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 26 and 32. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The current time is